Hello everyone, I'm Niveditha TD. I'm from first year Electronics and Communication Engineering. Startup company CWES production. Product present name watch. Product proposed name hologram watch. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feelings about the product as said by the customers during empathizing activity. It should have additional technology of nanotechnology. It should have hologram technology. Define. Based on empathizing stage and considering feelings and requirement of customers, many new features are added to existing product. Existing product name watch. Futuristic product name hologram smartwatch. Ideate. Some of additional features to be added are mentioned here. It should have AI. It should be transparent. It should have good battery life. It should have contactless payment system using NFC technology. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.